With the market for electric vehicles getting bigger every day, it's no surprise that bicycle manufacturers are also getting in on the action. And with so many e-bike manufacturers popping up, it may be difficult to keep track of them all. That's why we've done the heavy lifting for you and found a company that makes great electric bicycles, offers them at a great price, and has the customer service to make sure that you, the end customer, is always satisfied. Jupiter Bikes is an innovation-based electric bike company based out of the US. They got their start by building one of the world's smartest and most compact folding electric bikes, the DLX, and have been building rapidly on every success since. With a separate model for every style of riding, you can expect the absolute highest quality when riding an e-bike that bears the Jupiter Bikes insignia. Jupiter Bike Defiant. The first e-bike from Jupiter Bikes that we'll cover is the Jupiter Bike Defiant, which happens to not only be a fat tire electric bike, but also happens to fold up, allowing for a better user experience, especially when transporting or storing the bike. This fat tire bike comes with 4-inch wide by 20-inch in diameter fat tires that make for a steady ride, great for tearing through rough terrain like sand, mud, rocks, and even snow. If riding on snow or the beach isn't your thing though, then don't worry. The Defiant is also great for cruising around on regular streets, bike lanes, and sidewalks. Each battery pack can take the Jupiter Bike Defiant up to 40 miles or 64 kilometers on a single charge. Another great selling point for the Defiant is the extra powerful 750-watt rear hub-mounted motor that delivers a throttle and pedal-assisted top speed of 20 miles per hour. You can go faster than this though simply by pedaling harder. Some other great features include a twist grip throttle that supplies you with power on demand, a bright LCD display that shows you your speed and battery life, as well as alerting you to which of the 5 levels of pedal assist you are currently riding in. Wait, did we just mention 5 levels of pedal assist? Yep, another reason why Jupiter Bikes is so great is that most of their bikes offer up to 5 levels of assistance, whereas other e-bike manufacturers sometimes only offer 3 levels of assistance. Not only is the Defiant easy to ride, quick, and full of assistance features, but it's also easy to store thanks to the simple-to-use folding mechanism. In just 3 steps, this bike can fold down to 38 inches by 22 inches by 28 inches, perfect for storage in tight spaces in your home, trunk, boat, RV, or wherever you need to store your folding electric bike. Jupiter Bike Summit. If the fat tire Defiant just isn't what you're looking for in an e-bike, then how about an electric mountain bike? Yep, Jupiter Bikes has the EMTB e-bike niche covered with their very own trail-ready Summit electric folding mountain bike. The Summit is great for your next off-road bicycling adventure as it is built for speed and features a lightweight touring frame that weighs a total of a mere 38 pounds without the wheel, battery, or seat, that is. What's more, the Summit features a concealed and removable 48-volt, 7-amp-hour battery that delivers a total driving range of up to 30 miles. The 28 miles per hour top speed is due in part to the 26-inch, 3-finned, aerodynamic mag wheels that cut through the wind, allowing you to achieve higher top speeds. The top speed is also due in part to the 500-watt rear hub-mounted motor and 21-speed Shimano gear shifter. The shifter is controlled by thumb shift levers that allow you, the rider, to rapidly shift between gears as needed. The Jupiter Bike Summit also features a twist throttle grip for adjusting speed so you can get power on demand, much like you would on a motorcycle. The bike also features a large LCD display so you can stay informed while cruising around. The display tells the rider how fast they're going, how far they've gone, what pedal assist level they're using, and perhaps most importantly, how much battery life is left. But you can't go mountain biking without suspension, right? Well, the Summit features a front fork coiled suspension that helps you ride over bumps, attack rocky terrain, and even get airborne if that's your thing. Did we mention this electric mountain bike also folds up? Yep, just to make sure the rider doesn't have any difficulty getting to and from their favorite trail, Jupiter Bikes made the Summit electric mountain bike foldable. In a few easy steps, this e-bike will fold down to fit in your trunk so you can get to the trail fast. Jupiter Bike Discovery X5. If you're looking for an e-bike that's a little more compact, then the Jupiter Bike Discovery X series might be what you need. At first glance, the X5 and X7 might seem too small to be comfortable, but just hear what one of the many 5-star reviewers has to say about the Discovery X5. Jeff from St. Petersburg, Florida stated in November of 2021 that after years of hauling around a clunky golf cart on a trailer behind their RV, they decided to buy e-bikes instead. Their local surf shop carried the Jupiter Bikes lineup, and when they saw the Discovery X5 series, especially folded up, they were sold. Sturdy, comfortable, powerful, and long range. The small size will fool you at first, he states, but these little bikes are the real deal. We stashed the bikes inside the RV and no longer have to drag around an E-Z-GO, which happens to be a brand of golf carts. And if Jeff's recommendation wasn't enough, then we have a few things to say about the Discovery X5 as well. First off, the low center of gravity gives you great responsiveness, perfect for a ride around town, and the 3-level paddle assist, standard for these smaller electric folding bikes, and high torque 350-watt hub motor works in tandem to boost your acceleration. If you don't want to paddle, however, simply twist the handle to go full motorcycle mode. You'll easily achieve your 16 mph top speed. As with other Jupiter bikes, if you want more range on the go, simply purchase multiple battery packs. They're easy to transport and even easier to change out. And when it comes to portability, the smaller 16-inch tires, 3-step folding mechanism, and built-in magnets that help the bike stay securely folded makes for an incredible folding and storage user experience. Jupiter Bike Discovery X7. If you want a slightly larger folding electric bike option, then you're in luck, because the brand added a new addition to the Discovery line, the Discovery X7, which is an upgraded version of the X5. The 20-inch tires are 4 inches larger than the tires on the X5, and the 45-inch wheelbase creates more of a full-sized bike feel. The Discovery X7 comes with 160mm stainless steel disc brakes and a Shimano 6-speed gear shifter. The unfolded dimensions are 63 by 23 by 45 inches, but the bike folds down perfectly into a smaller size of a mere 36 by 17 by 25 inches. So if you're looking for a slightly larger upgraded version of the X5, then the Discovery X7 is the Jupiter bike that you want. Before we get to number 1, we just found out that only 6% of our viewers are actually subscribed. That means 94% of you watching aren't subscribed, which breaks our heart. So please do us a favor and consider smashing that subscribe button. We'd love to have you in the community. Jupiter Bike Atlas. Last but definitely not least is the Atlas electric step-through bike. Sharing features similar to the Jupiter Bike Summit, the Atlas is the milder version of an electric mountain bike that's built for a more comfortable ride, yet is still able to attack difficult terrain. Designed with you in mind, the Jupiter Bike Atlas brings together the best features like a powerful 500-watt motor and low center of gravity so you can find new confidence when riding around your town. The 500-watt motor is paired with 5 levels of pedal assist, and the bike comes with an upgraded cockpit that has an adjustable neck and upgraded LCD. The battery on the Atlas is also a 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery that, once fully charged, gives you a total driving range of 40 miles, and it only takes 4 to 6 hours to charge via a standard outlet. Front and rear fenders are also included, so it's safe to ride the Summit even in the rain. If you'd like to live old school, however, then you can also ride this bike manually thanks to the 7-speed Shimano drivetrain. Well, that wraps up this video. We want to know what your favorite Jupiter bike is. Just let us know in the comments below. And please also show Jupiter Bike some love by clicking on any of the links in the description of this video. And a very special thanks to our community of 15,100 subscribers. And want to see another futuristic video? Then be sure to check this one out right now.